Limon City, Saudi. This is Saudi again, live from Kingdom of Bahrain. I want to say you guys, I want to tell you guys that I want to say thanks to all of you for always watching my channel and for always keeping your support with me. I highly appreciate you all, guys. You are such amazing and generous to support me, even that my channel is just beginning. So guys, let me just share you this wonderful foods, burgers that I've been making here in our kitchen, here in the Queezy's restaurant located in Janabia, Kingdom of Bahrain. Currently I'm working as a head chef, guys, and these are my simple and humble foods but with great flavors. So currently I am handling more than 5 staffs, and some of them are passionate in the fields of cooking. So as their senior, I am bound and to share also my experiences with them, so that they may be also a good they will also become, a great chefs in the future. So I am so lucky, guys, to have these good people around me now, and they are new staffs. I was blessed to have this kind of young and vibrant and active, and of course people who are staffs who are very eager to learn. So that's what I'm passionate about, guys. I love to teach. I love to help other peoples to learn. That is my passion in life, to teach and to help people learn new skills, something that they can be that is useful for their future, for their lives. And as we all know, everybody eats and everybody loves food. Who could not love food, guys? So therefore how I wish everybody can cook, and in my little bit humble experience, I could be able to share my views, my techniques, my ways of cooking, so that I could be able also to produce excellent cooks in the future of our generations. So as you can hear the sounds of the kitchen, guys, it's a little bit traffic and noisy. That is really our day-to-day lives here inside this box. But we are always share each other as a family, and that makes our lives much easier, fun, happy, and we have this engagement and connection with each other. So therefore our team is great. It's because we dearly love each other, but we have a brotherly love, even though we are far away from our country, and we respect each other and we help each other, be it be on or off the work. So fantastic, guys, and thank you for watching on my channel. I love you all.